and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Leisa. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it to get notified whenever I post any videos. I'm so happy because we're already 1,000 subscribers. So I'm really thankful for all of you guys for subscribing to my channel, and please keep supporting me. But anyway, in today's video, we'll be doing a shopping haul. I'll be showing you everything that I got from my trip to Kuwait. If you didn't know, I just got back home here in the Philippines from my trip to Kuwait because my dad is there. But I'll link my vlog going back to the Philippines in the description down below. So the first thing that I'll be showing you is Bath and Body Works. So I've got two shopping bags here. So this is the first bag, and what we have here is the Bath and Body Works Signature Collection candles. This is in the sweet tea and it smells so good. Next is the Japanese Cherry Blossom, and this is my favorite. It smells so good. I wish I could like swim in this. So the next bag is filled with so many good stuff as well. This is the Dark Kiss. It smells so good as well. And this is the Sweet Tea Fine Fragrance Mist. This is like perfume. And I also got the French Lavender and Honey. And I also bought this super soft body butter. This is what it looks like. I just got downstairs because my mom was yelling my name to get downstairs for me to get my package, my order from Lazada. And guess what? It's here now! I also got this Gorilla Pad, but I already got it like yesterday, so I already opened it. But this one, I just got it new and we'll be unboxing this. And disclaimer, if you think that I'm sweating right now, it's not. It's just a highlight, but I'm kind of a little bit sweating because it's really hot in here. But anyway, this is the LED touchscreen vanity mirror in pink, and it's free with makeup brushes in gold, 12 pieces. So this is what I ordered, and I'm gonna unbox this. Okay, so this is it. Yes. Oh my god. So excited to open this up. So this is what inside. This is the 12 Naked Tree Urban Decay brushes, and this is the LED mirror. Let's open it up. Okay, this is what it looks like. It also has like a standee to stand it up. Where? Oh my god. Oh, yeah. And these are the brushes. They're super soft. Just had to put my hair down because I think my hairstyle was a little bit messy. But anyway, now we're in red tag. So what I got at red tag is this pink like dress. This is what it looks like. So long. I'll be wearing this for my prenup photo shoot at El Caballo, and this is what it looks like. This is the strap. And if you didn't know already, I'm the new ambassador of Red Dog Fashion, so I'll be doing like a lookbook video for everything that they sent me, everything that they gave me. So maybe I'll post it like maybe next week after this video. So next is I have two bags from Max. And so first thing that I've got from Max is this electronic wax candle. This is like a lamp, but in form of wax, and it has like liquid glitters in it. So this is what it looks like. Next is this jewelry organizer box. My dad bought this for me, and this is what it looks like. It's like a cabinet, and this, when you open it up, it has a mirror and like a tree box to organize your jewelries or anything that you want. I chose this because it's so cute and so girly, and it feels like me. Next is this bag. I'm so in love with this. Just look at it. Look at it. So cute. So me. I will be doing like what's in my school bag. And I also bought these sandals from Max. This is the brand Lanvana, and this is what it looks like. It's like a pink ruffle sandals, and I'm in the size 39. It's so pretty. I love these sandals. It's like my go-to sandals whenever I go out. So lastly, this is from My Watch, Gifts and Novelties, and this is the bag. So what I got here is this dozen pairs of lashes, and I also got this flower headband that I will use for my prenup photo shoot on birthday, and this pair of sunglasses. This is what it looks like. And lastly, this, oh my god, jewelries. This is like a rose gold bangle. Rose gold bangle that has like H initial in it, and also this rose gold necklace. So that's it. That's everything that I've got from my trip to Kuwait. I hope you guys like this video. And also, Mikasa Beauty is collaborating with me. So if you purchase any products in their line, you'll be getting a 40% off if you use my code LeisaG40. And also, you'll be getting their Puff S200, I think, for free. So buy now. But anyway, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below for any suggestions you guys want me to post. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye!